Good morning, students. I, Ms. Novia D'Souza from Mithanagar MPS, welcome you all for today's online lecture arranged by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. Now, before starting the lecture, I would like to ask you some questions. Can you tell me what is this?
Pen.
Pen, yes, very good.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Book.
Book.
Brush.
Brush.
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone.
Chammach.
It is known as spoon. Spoon.
Guya.
Mickey Mouse.
Save.
Apple. Very nice.
Bat ball. Band.
Bat. Yes. So students, you have recognized all the things that I've shown to you. Okay. Now, just observe the things that are around you in your house. Each thing has a specific name because of which you recognized it or because of which you remember it. Okay, there are so many things that you use in your daily life from morning till night. So today we are going to learn something similar to it. Today we are going to learn naming words. You already know the names of so many things, right? So today in English grammar, we are going to learn naming words. Now, what are naming words? Naming words means noun. So today in English grammar, we are going to learn noun. So the topic for today is noun. Now, what is noun? Noun is also known as naming word. Noun is also known as naming words. A word that represents a person, place, animal, or thing. A word that represents a person, place, animal, or thing. Now let's see the definition of noun. Noun is a word that represents a person, place, animal, or thing. Now let's see some of the examples of noun. The examples of noun will help you to understand the concept of noun more clearly. Person. Okay, now what can you see in the picture?
Boy and girl.
A boy and a
Girl.
girl. So the word boy and girl represents a person. See the next one. She is a teacher. Teacher is a word that represents a person. When I talk about your teacher, you remember her, right? So the word teacher represents a person. Now, what can you see in the picture?
Doctor.
Yes, doctor. Doctor is a word that represents a person. Now, doctor is a person who treats you when you're not well. Okay, now what can you see in the picture?
Soldier.
Soldier, yes. Now, soldier is a person who protects our country. Now, can you recognize the picture? Whose picture it is?
Farmer.
Farmer, yes. Now, farmer is a person who, because of whom we get food grains. Now, this were some of the examples of person that I've shown. Now, there are some more like mother, father, teacher, friends, doctor, sweeper, chef, reporter. These are some of the examples of people or person that help us to recognize the noun. Now let's see about place.
Place.
Okay, can you recognize this place?
Yes, school.
Yes, which it is?
School.
School, yes. Everyone is missing their school now. So school is a place where we study. So school is a noun that is connected to place or which represents a place. Which place is this? Yes, hospital. Hospital is a place where if you are not well, you have to go there, right? So hospital is a noun that represents a place.
Zoo.
Zoo, yes. So you can see so many animals in the zoo. So zoo is a noun that represents a place.
Sea.
Beach, yes. So beach is also a place. Can you recognize this place?
Kitchen.
Kitchen, yes. Kitchen is a place where mommy makes yummy dishes for you.
Kitchen. Garden.
Yes, it is a garden. You can say playground. You can say a park. So this is your favorite place. Yes, you like to enjoy here. So park is a noun that represents a place. Now, along with that, you have so many places that you visit. Okay, when I'm telling you that today I'm going to a cinema hall to watch a movie, you remember the cinema hall. If I tell you today I'm going to Juhu Beach, then you remember the Juhu Beach or you recognize where I'm going. So the noun help you to recognize the place where you're going. See, there are some examples of places: kitchen, hospital, zoo, park, and many more. Now let's see the next one. Animal. Okay.
Animal.
Which animal is this?
Elephant.
Yes, it's a elephant. So elephant is a noun that represents an animal. Horse, yes. Horse. Peacock. Now the word animal is given, but in this, animals and birds are also included. Okay? Peacock. See the beautiful peacock.
Yeah.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Yes.
Parrot. Dog.
Dog. Yes, it's a dog. Now, dog is a word that represents a animal.
Dog. Cat.
Cat. Yes. Cat is a noun that represents a animal. Okay, now this were some of the animals that I've shown you. Beyond many animals. Animals are there, birds are there, fish are there. So all this come under noun.
Elephant. Elephant. Cow. Cow. Cat. Dog. Dog. Cat.
Now let's see some of the things. Okay, there are so many things that you use in your daily life. So some of the things we are going to see now.
Cup.
Cup, yes.
Cup.
Cup is a noun that represents a thing.
Umbrella.
Umbrella, yes, it's a colorful umbrella. Now, umbrella is a noun that represents a thing.
Bat.
Bat, yes, it's a bat. You like to play bat and ball, na? So, bat is a thing. Chair, yes, it's a chair. Now, chair is a noun that represents a thing.
Brush.
Brush. Yes, it's a brush.
Brush.
Paintbrush. Yes, very nice. It's a paintbrush.
Key.
Keys. Yes, it's keys. Now, keys is a noun that represents a thing. So, there are so many things that we use in our daily life. Now, if you see in your house, there will be
Bag, bus, bag, pencil, and table. Bus, bag, pencil, card, and table.
yes, very nice. You have recognized all the pictures here. But there are so many things that you use in your daily life from morning till night. Okay. So you know names of all the things and you know the names of all the places that you have seen. That means you can recognize all the nouns, whether it is a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, let's see whether you know which noun will go in which of the category. Let's recap. Let's see whether you know which of the noun will go in which of the category. Okay, now observe this picture carefully. Okay, now you are going to tell me which of the nouns. See, so many nouns they have given with the help of the picture. And you are going to tell me which noun will go in which of the category, whether it will go in people, place, animal, or thing. Okay, which of the boxes it will go, you're going to tell me. Okay, before that, I will read out the names of all this and then we are going to do it. Okay, dog,
Dog,
table,
table,
teacher,
teacher,
bird,
bird,
school,
school,
father,
mother,
church,
church,
mobile.
mobile.
Yes. Okay. Now these are some of them. Observe the pictures and the name properly. Okay, now you are going to tell me this nouns will go in which of the boxes. Okay, now first one is dog.
Dog.
Now dog will go in which of the boxes? People, place, animal or thing?
Red box.
Animal, yes, very nice. Okay, the first one is done. The next one is table. Now table will go in which of the category? People, place?
Table.
Yes, table. Table will go in which of the category? People, place or thing? Things, yes, very nice. The next one is a teacher.
Teacher. People.
People, yes, very nice. The teacher will go in people.
Bird.
The
Animal.
next, yes, very nice. The bird will go in animal. Okay, the next one is school.
School is place.
School is a place. Excellent. The next one is a father.
Father is people. People.
People, yes. Father is a people. Very nice. The next one is church.
Church is place.
Yes, church is a place. The last one is mobile.
Mobile is thing.
Yes, very nice. See,
thing.
students. So you remember the things that I've taught to you and you were able to categorize all these nouns into their boxes. That is into people, place, animals and things. Okay, now I will read the words and then we will move further. Okay. Now in people, we got teacher and father. Places, school, church. Animals, dog, bird. Things, table and mobile. Okay. So you are able to recap the things that we have learned. Now it's a time to evaluate you all. Now I'm going to check whether you have really understood what I have taught to you. Okay. Now in this you are going to identify and circle all the pictures that name things, only things. Okay. First I'll read out all these nouns for you and then you are going to circle the picture and the name of the thing. Okay, first I'll read for you. Apple.
Apple.
Girl.
Girl.
Pen.
Pen.
Den.
Dan.
Ball.
Ball.
Deer.
Deer.
Chair.
Chair.
Lion.
Lion.
Home.
Home.
Cup.
Cup.
Boy.
Boy.
Orange.
Orange.
Okay. Now in this, you're just going to tell me which are the things. So first we'll do the first line. Okay. Then the second, third and fourth.
Apple is orange.
Yes. Just a minute. I'll read the names and then you're going to tell me whether I have to circle it or not to circle it. The first one is apple.
Apple.
I have to circle it.
Things.
Yes, apple is a thing. So I'm going to circle it. The next one is a girl.
Girl is not things.
Okay, so I will not circle it. Very good. The next one is a pen.
Pen.
Pen is a?
Things.
Yes, so pen I'm going to circle. Okay, the next one is den.
Den is a things.
No, den is not a thing. It is a place.
Thing.
Next one is a ball.
Thing.
Yes, ball is a thing. So I'm going to circle it. The next one, deer.
Deer.
Deer is a,
not thing.
yes, it is an animal. It is not a thing. So I'm not going to circle it. The next one is chair. Yes, chair is a thing. The next one, lion.
Animal. It is not
Animal.
animal.
Next one, house.
House. It's a place.
Yes, house is a place. Next one is a cup.
Cup. It
Yes,
is
it
a
is a
thing.
thing. Boy.
Boy. Boy is not a thing.
Yes, it is a person, right?
Boy is a thing.
Orange.
Orange is a thing.
Yes. Very good, students. You have recognized all the things in the picture given. Apple,
Apple.
pen,
Pen.
ball,
Ball.
chair,
Chair.
cup,
Cup.
orange.
Orange.
Okay, now this were all the things in this picture. Okay, now let's move further. Now see, in this you're going to identify and circle all the picture that names a person. Okay, now this is person. First I'll read the names to you and then we are going to circle.
Lizard.
Girl,
Girl.
teacher,
Teacher.
and rug, key, boy, Yumna, queen, wheel, king, jet, pilot. Okay, now let's see whether you can identify the person in this pictures. Okay, you're just going to circle the person. So the first one is girl. Is girl a person?
Yes.
Yes. We're going to circle it. Next one, teacher. Is teacher a person?
Yes.
Yes, so we are going to circle it. The next one, and.
And it's not a person.
And is not a person. The next one, rug.
It is not a person.
Yeah, it is a thing, so you're not going to circle it. Key. Yes, it is a thing. Boy.
Yes. Boy is a person. Lizard. Lizard not person.
Is it a person?
Not. No. Animal.
Queen.
Queen is a person. Queen is a person. Queen is a person.
Wheel.
Will not.
It is a
Will
thing.
not person. King.
King.
King is a person. King.
Yes, king is a person.
Jet. Jet is
Jet.
not person. Jet.
Not a person. Pilot.
Pilot is a person.
Yes, pilot is a person. Okay, very good. So, students, you have identified all the persons in the picture. Okay, once we'll again read it. Girl, teacher, boy, queen,
Queen,
king,
Thinking.
Pilot.
Pilot.
Yes. Now, in this, you're going to pick which picture represents what, whether it represents a person, animal, thing, or place. Okay, now the first one is done for you. See, the students, they have joined with the person. The next one will do
Cow.
the next one is cow.
Cow. Cow. Animal.
Yes, cow is an animal.
Animal.
Okay, I'll just put a tick because the place here, the space in between is very less. Okay, the next one, pond.
Pond. Place.
Yes, pond is a place. The next one, bicycle.
Bicycle. Things.
Yes, bicycle is a thing. Egypt. Place. Yes, Egypt is the name of a place.
Place.
Plumber.
Plumber is a person.
Plumber is a person. Bear. Animal. Radio.
Radio is a thing.
Yes, radio is a thing. Very nice. Very good. So, student is a person.
Cow
Cow
is
is a
animal.
animal. Pond is a
Place.
bicycle is a
Thing.
Egypt is a
Place.
plumber is a
Person.
person. Bear is a
Animal.
radio is a
Thing.
yes, very nice. Excellent, all of you. Okay, you have recognized each things properly and you have classified the things into their exact places, what it represents. Now in this, you are going to look at the picture and write the noun words into the correct categories. Okay, see, they have given you 4 categories: person, things, places, and animals. Okay, you are going to classify all these nouns into this person, thing, place, and animal. Okay, first I'll read out the names of all these nouns. Okay, doctor, singer, beach, table, ball, monkey, cat, airport, books, farm, horse, teacher. Okay, now one by one, I'll read out the names and you're going to tell me which category it will go. First one is doctor. Person, yes, very nice. Doctor will go into person. Singer. Yes, singer is also a person. Beach. Yes, beach is a place. Table.
Table is a place.
Yes, table is a thing. Doctor.
Ball.
Sorry, ball.
Ball and things.
Yes, ball. Monkey.
Monkey is animal.
Monkey is an animal.
Cat is
Cat.
Cat is animal.
Animal. Airport.
Airport is place.
Yes, airport is a place. Books.
Books. Things.
Things. Yes. Farm.
Place.
Place. Horse.
Animal.
Animal. Teacher.
Teacher is a person.
Yes, teacher is a person. Very nice, excellent. You have given the correct answer. Okay, now I will read all of this once. Okay, let's see whether you have put the correct noun into the correct categories. Okay, person, doctor,
Person. Doctor.
singer,
Singer.
teacher,
Teacher.
things,
Things.
table,
Table.
ball,
Ball.
books,
Books.
places,
Places.
beach,
Beach.
airport,
Airport.
farm,
Farm.
animals,
Animal.
monkey,
Monkey.
cat,
Cat.
horse.
Horse.
Yes, very nice. You have put all the words, that is all the nouns into their correct categories. So you have understood the topic. Now I have a homework for you all. Now in this homework, see what you have to do. You are going to write down the names of the nouns. You have a space here. You're going to write down the names of all these nouns here in the space, and then you are going to search the words into the word search puzzle. Okay, the first one will do. What is the first picture?
Apple.
Apple. Now what is the spelling of apple?
A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Yes, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Yes. Now, can you search the apple in this box? Can you tell me where it is exactly?
A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Where it is?
Downside A.
Yes, very nice. It is in the first line. This is an apple. Yes. So you know how to.
O-U-S-E. H-O-U-S-E. House is a
Yes.
house.
It's a house. Now, can you search the house here? Last line. Yes, last line. Okay, student, now this is your homework. So you're going to do it on your own. Okay, you can write it down or you can take a screenshot of it. Now just tell me the names of the further pictures that you can see. What is this?
Shoes.
Shoes, or it is only one, so it is shoe. Ring, it is a ring. Cat. Table. Rabbit. Bed. Yes. So you have recognized all the pictures. So then it will be very easy for you all to write the spelling and also to search the spelling into the word search puzzle. Thank you to all the students who have attended today's online lecture.